Hi, it's Christa with artisticvegan.com. Welcome back to my kitchen and another Artistic Vegan show. Today we are making these oh so yummy, puffy, delicious little magic rolls. These are potato rolls, and when I was growing up I loved potato bread. I don't know about you or if you ever had it, but it is fantastic. And so you actually mix a mashed potato in with the batter to make this bread, and it turns out absolutely irresistible. So tread carefully. That's my only warning. Otherwise, fully enjoy. These are a crowd pleaser. You could serve these to friends, family, at a gathering, or enjoy them yourself. I'm going to be airing them in a recipe coming up very soon, so stay tuned for that. But today, let's go ahead and make these. You want vegan eggs, coconut sugar, sea salt, coconut oil, mashed potatoes, active dry yeast, lukewarm water, whole wheat flour, which is what I used, or you could also go with an all-purpose gluten-free flour here and keep things gluten-free. So first you'll want to activate the yeast if you're using an active dry yeast. So combine the lukewarm water, about 105 degrees is perfect, with the yeast and just a little bit of the coconut sugar. Mix that together pretty well, put a lid on it, set aside for 10 minutes until it's nice and foamy. Meanwhile, you can mix together 2 tablespoons of flax meal with about 6 tablespoons of warm water. Give that a mix and set aside for about 5 minutes to congeal. Then you'll just want to combine everything in a big bowl and mix it all together, either by hand, mixer, or bread machine, and make a smooth, soft dough. So keep kneading it until it's nice and smooth and soft. Then you want to place that in a bowl with a little bit of oil, give it a swirl so it's covered in oil, then give it a cover with a warm, wet towel that's nice and clean, and you want to set that aside for about 90 minutes or until it's doubled and had nice enough time to rise. Then you want to gently deflate the ball and divide it into 15 balls, and then lightly grease your 9x13 pan and place the balls in the pan. Cover it with either plastic wrap, or you could use a warm cloth, which is what I did, and let them rise for about 1.5 to 2 hours. So you want to preheat the oven to 350 degrees and throw them in the oven and bake for about 20 to 25 minutes until they're golden brown and absolutely delicious. You can even take them out of the pan and serve them warm or at room temperature. And if you are going to keep these, they'll keep for several days at room temperature, or you can keep them in the fridge if it's too hot, or put them in the freezer for longer storage. You can pack them more tightly if you want a pull-apart roll, or if you want them browned all over, then just use a larger pan and space them further apart so they don't touch while they're baking. Now, here's how they slice. Mmm. Mmm, mmm, mmm. Mmm. Mouth-watering good. If you like this recipe, you can get it over at artisticvegan.com, where you can find ways to make it easily gluten-free, oil-free, and different ways to adapt it to your preference. I hope to see you next time. Please like, comment, subscribe, share with others, and click the little notification bell so you know when I publish. And I'll be out really soon with a new delicious recipe this Friday. Bye!